Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, and today I'm going to do a small video where I'm going to talk about the 5 things that happened last week that you might need to know. Let's get started. Shares of Editas rose 9.8% pre-market on 29 September 2023 due to an upgrade of Editas by Stifel to a buy rating with a price target increase from $9 to $17. And their rationale was that Editas is undervalued compared to CRISPR Therapeutics, and that Editas gene therapy for SCD has not received as much credit as it should, or it has received minimal credit, according to Stifel. As a result of this, Editas share closed 12.7% at the end of trading on Friday. So that was the positive thing as far as Editas is concerned. Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings has collaborated with EnsoV, which is a small startup company based in Boston, to improve EnsoV's biomanufacturing platform to the cell-free transformation of carbon dioxide. So you should remember that EnsoV is a very small company. I looked them up. They are in the Crunch base, and I think they have just a couple of employees, if I'm not mistaken. EnsoV said that the collaboration allows it to employ Ginkgo's enzyme services to help optimize its platform, and requires Ginkgo to support the discovery and development of enzymes needed to commercialize that platform. EnsoV's platform enables the cell-free conversion of carbon monoxide into acetyl CoA, which can then be turned into a variety of additional products, such as precursors to flavorings, supplements, pharmaceuticals, or even fuels for that matter. So that's what EnsoV does. And financial terms of the collaborations were not disclosed. So that is the second item that we saw today. Next, Stifel has adjusted the target price for Illumina from $225 to $200, so it's a downgrade of around $25. Illumina has been recovering the last 3 days, but it has a long way to go. It closed the weekend at $132.75, so it's still way far away even from the revised lower targets from Stifel. So we have to see what happens next week. Does Illumina continue going upwards? Next, let's look at PACB. Barclays has cut the price target of PACB from $14 to $9. And at the same time, we have Bernstein, which has set a price target of $11 for Pacific Biosciences. And at this point of time, if you look at the charts, Pacific Biosciences is still languishing very close to its 52-week lows. So we'll have to see what happens to the fortunes of Pacific Biosciences. The other important thing that happened last week was that FDA gave commercialization authorization or marketing authorization for a cancer test to Invitae, and it had no effect on Invitae's price chart. So I don't know what's happening out there. Ideally, there should have been a pop. So Invitae must be in a worse condition than we suspect. We'll have to see what happens on Monday. So the news from FDA is almost 3 days old. So whatever should have happened by Friday. So I'm not very optimistic that it's going to result in some bump on Monday, but we are hoping for the best. So that brings me to the end of this quick fire 5-point news update from last week. That's all for now, my friends. I'll catch up with you again with the next video. Bye for now.